Hi, my name is Jen Eskridge. Thanks for clicking on Pro Stitcher Designer Advanced Course Collection. In this collection of courses, we will dive in and learn some of the tricks, tips, and shortcuts I used when I commercially developed digital designs for ProStitcher.com. I was with ProStitcher for about 3.5 or 4 years or so, and I was on when ProStitcher Designer was released and helped learn and build some of the updates with ProStitcher Designer. And in doing so, I've learned some shortcuts, some quick methods, and some processes that really streamline creating more complicated or more complex and more interesting digital designs, and how to use the tools in a compound, more interesting fashion. So it's not necessarily just, we'll click these two anchor points and we'll connect them. There's a little bit more to it, and we will dive into those in this course bundle. You can take any of the courses in any order, and when you purchase the bundle, all of the classes will be available to you anytime you'd like to watch them at your convenience. Thanks for checking out Pro Stitcher Designer Advanced classes.